So here we have a robot that will sort laundry for us. It'll put the dark clothes in the dark bin and the white clothes in the white bin. This is Stephanie and Michael who's going to run the demo.
Hi.
And the cool thing is you will just read the thoughts of the robot as it's doing it, and you'll see, what it's thinking. And this is our, thinking and acting model where it'll first think and then take the action.
You get insight into its brain.
Yeah, so you can look at what it's thinking now.
So this is every time step, is it?
Yep.
I got you.
You want to throw in a few more clothes?
Absolutely.
Go for it.
Let's do it. Let's get a red one in there.
Let's get a red one in there.
Do not put that in the white one. Thank you. So do you have a system sitting on top of it that's kind of making these decisions? I mean, how does it work? Is it like hierarchical?
This one is pure end-to-end.
Right.
It's thinking and acting in the same model. There's no hierarchy, so it's like very closed loop. So, okay.
Red. The bottom closed from the table. Red cloth.
The black box. Beautiful. Nice.
Beautiful. I mean, I would probably wash that separately. Yeah. But, you do you, hun. It's going to be a purple top in no time. Okay, so then if this is end-to-end, how do you extract this information out? Is it just outputting actions?
So the beauty of this is it's outputting both its thinking and its actions. So think about how Gemini outputs its thinking before it outputs the response to the user. This is doing kind of something similar.
Got you.
No, it's actually truly exciting. Like,
really?
It's a different way of doing robotics.